Hello, hello. I hope that everybody's week has been great so far. And I wanted to send you a little video along with the information about your oil sample that you received. And thank you so much to Deb and to all of you for creating that wonderful event that we shared on Sunday. And I wanted to talk with you a little bit more about the doTERRA difference because we didn't really get into that too much at the event on Sunday, but I wanted to explain. My dog wants up. One moment. So this is Lily, and if you get to know me, then you get to know Lily. We're like two peas in a pod. So now she's on my lap and she'll be happy. But I just wanted to explain a little bit about why doTERRA essential oils are different than most essential oils that you're going to find. And doTERRA is really concerned with their essential oils being therapeutic grade so that they are going to do what you want them to do. And doTERRA does 54 tests on every single batch of essential oil, not random, but every single batch of oil. And if it's not the exact correct chemical balance, then they will not bottle that oil and sell it. And on the bottom of every single doTERRA bottle, you will see a unique number. And you can go to a website that is called source2u.com and type in the number on the bottom of your bottle and find the exact chemical readings of it and the story behind the oils. It's really, really cool. And doTERRA is also very passionate about what we call co-impact sourcing. So when we purchase a bottle of essential oil, not only does it benefit us, but it also benefits the people who grew it, harvested it, and distilled it. Because a lot of essential oils, the plants grow indigenously in third world countries. So doTERRA has really made a big difference in different people's lives all over the world. They provide jobs and pay people fairly and give back a lot to the community. They have a charity as well. It's called the Healing Hands Foundation, and all of the donations go to the Healing Hands Foundation, to the projects like building wells and earthquake-proof schools in Nepal, educating girls in the community on feminine hygiene so that they can continue going to school during that time of the month, all kinds of really, really cool things. So that's just a little bit about, I'll say, the doTERRA difference. And please know that you can reach out to me anytime with questions. You can call me or email me, and I am really, really happy to help you on your journey of health and happiness. Thank you so much.